Hobby. My favorite hobby is reading. Reading mystery novels is my absolute favorite hobby, as it helps me relax after a long week. Free time. I have much free time on weekends. During my free time on weekends, I enjoy exploring new hiking trails in the nearby mountains. Relax. I like to relax at home. After a busy week at work, my ideal way to relax is by listening to calm music and reading. Read. I often read books. Every night before going to sleep, I dedicate about 30 minutes to read a captivating novel or an interesting article. Watch TV. We watch TV in the evenings. My family enjoys watching TV shows together in the evenings, especially when a new comedy series is released. Listen to music. I listen to music when I work out. I always listen to upbeat music on my headphones when I'm exercising at the gym or going for a run outdoors. Play games. My friends and I play games. On Saturday evenings, my friends and I often gather at someone's house to play various board games and card games. Go for a walk. I go for a walk in the park. After dinner, I often go for a leisurely walk in the nearby park to enjoy the fresh air and clear my head. Exercise. I try to exercise daily. Regular exercise, like jogging or cycling, helps me maintain my physical health and boosts my energy levels throughout the day. Cook. I enjoy cooking new recipes. Cooking is one of my most satisfying hobbies. I love experimenting with new recipes and trying different cuisines from around the world. Bake. I often bake cakes for parties. For special celebrations and birthdays, I always love to bake delicious cakes and cookies for my family and friends. Draw. She likes to draw cartoons. My sister enjoys drawing imaginative cartoon characters and detailed landscapes in her sketchbook during her free time. Paint. I sometimes paint with watercolors. Painting beautiful landscapes with watercolors is a very calming and artistic activity that allows me to express my creativity. Sing. I like to sing karaoke. He loves to sing along to his favorite songs, especially when he goes to karaoke nights with his friends. Dance. I take dance classes weekly. She takes dance classes twice a week to learn different styles, as she finds moving to the music incredibly enjoyable. Play an instrument. I play the piano. Learning to play a musical instrument like the piano requires dedication and many hours of consistent practice. Garden. I enjoy gardening on weekends. My grandmother spends hours in her beautiful garden every day, carefully growing a variety of flowers and fresh vegetables. Travel. Traveling is my passion. Traveling to new countries and exploring different cultures is my ultimate passion, offering unique experiences and memories. Photography. Photography is a creative hobby. He always carries his camera with him because photography is his main creative passion, allowing him to capture beautiful moments. Collect. I collect old coins. My uncle has a fascinating hobby of collecting rare and historical coins from various countries around the world. Volunteer. I volunteer on Saturdays. I volunteer at the local animal shelter every Saturday morning to help care for the abandoned pets and clean their enclosures. Meditate. I meditate every morning. To reduce stress and improve my focus, I try to meditate for at least 15 minutes immediately after waking up. Journal. I keep a daily journal. Writing in my journal every night helps me process my thoughts, record my experiences, and reflect on my day. Craft. My sister enjoys crafting. My sister finds joy in various crafts, from knitting cozy blankets to creating intricate handmade greeting cards. Knit. My grandma knits scarves. In winter, my grandmother loves to knit warm scarves and cozy hats for all her grandchildren as thoughtful gifts. Sew. She can sew clothes. She learned how to sew her own clothes from scratch, which not only saves money, but also allows for unique designs. Write. I love to write stories. In my spare time, I often enjoy writing imaginative short stories and heartfelt poems to express my creativity. Learn a language. I am learning French. Learning a new language like French is a challenging but incredibly rewarding hobby that opens up new cultural experiences. Go camping. We go camping in summer. Every summer, our family enjoys going camping in the national park, spending nights under the stars. Go hiking. I go hiking on trails. Hiking is an excellent way to explore nature, enjoy scenic views, and get invigorating exercise at the same time. Go fishing. My dad goes fishing. My dad loves to go fishing early in the morning by the quiet lake, enjoying the peace and quiet. Play sports. I play sports with friends. Playing team sports like basketball or soccer with my friends is a fun and competitive way to stay active. Go cycling. I go cycling every Sunday. I go cycling every Sunday morning along the scenic river path, enjoying the fresh air and exercise. Go swimming. I go swimming in the pool. During the hot summer months, we frequently go swimming at the community pool to cool down and have fun. Play board games. We play board games on Fridays. On Friday nights, My family and I often play various board games and card games, which is a fun way to spend time together. Do puzzles. I like to do jigsaw puzzles. Doing large jigsaw puzzles is a very relaxing and mentally stimulating activity that helps improve focus and patience. Hang out. Phrasal verb. I like to hang out with friends. After finishing school, we often like to hang out at the local coffee shop and chat about our day. Chill out. Phrasal verb. I need to chill out after work. After a particularly stressful day at the office, I just want to chill out on the couch and watch a light comedy. Take up. Phrasal verb. I want to take up a new hobby. This year, I'm planning to take up a new hobby like painting or learning a musical instrument to broaden my interests. Get into. Phrasal verb. She got into gardening. She recently started to get into gardening and now spends hours tending to her plants and flowers. Go out. Phrasal verb. We go out on weekends. On weekends, my friends and I enjoy going out to different restaurants, cafes, or sometimes to a concert. Stay in. Phrasal verb. I'll stay in tonight. I'm quite tired from the week, so I think I'll just stay in tonight and enjoy a quiet evening at home. Catch up. Phrasal verb. I caught up with an old friend. It was wonderful to catch up with an old friend over coffee. We hadn't seen each other in years. Try out. Phrasal verb. I want to try out a new sport. I'm thinking of joining a local club to try out a new sport next month, perhaps badminton or volleyball. Pick up. Phrasal verb. He picks up languages fast. My brother has a talent for languages. He can pick up new vocabulary and grammar quite quickly. Spend time. I spend time with my family. I cherish the moments I get to spend quality time with my family, especially during weekend get-togethers. Go to the cinema. I go to the cinema often. On Friday nights, my partner and I frequently go to the cinema to watch the latest blockbuster films. Visit museums. I love visiting museums. Whenever I travel to a new city, I always make sure to visit its art galleries and historical museums to learn about the culture. Do puzzles. She does crossword puzzles. My grandmother enjoys doing crossword puzzles and Sudoku daily, which helps keep her mind sharp and engaged. Socialize. I like to socialize at parties. I enjoy attending various events and gatherings to socialize with new people and expand my network.
If you liked that video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.